right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting this skin and hair together because it's a mess. Really skin. All right, so first up, I am using the Awapui shampoo by Paul Mitchell. I absolutely love this shampoo. It is a staple in our house. I use it on the girls. My husband uses it on his beard. Yeah, we love it. So I'm shampooing my hair twice with the Awapui shampoo. I've been working out a lot, and this is after a workout, and my hair was a sweaty mess. Next up, we have Paul Mitchell, the Detangler. This is the detangling conditioner. I don't have a long hair to detangle. However, you know, it works really, really good. I love it because it gives it the nice slip that I like. It softens it up really good, especially after stripping my hair and cleansing my hair with the Awapui shampoo. Just combing it in a little bit, and we are going to let that sit while I give myself a mini facial, get this skin together, because not too much TMI, it is Aunt Flo is happening, and she doing the most. So all right, I'm talking a lot, but I use the CeraVe cleanser on my skin. Love it, love it, love it. And then I am going in with the Fenty Cookies and Clean mask. This mask is so good. I, for the longest, was like a drugstore, simple skincare girl, but Fenty, I had gotten some samples from them from Sephora like last year, and Fenty got me hooked, and I just started trying other things, and this mask is like one of those really, really good products that I enjoy. It keeps my skin looking and feeling good, so I'm using this mask today. You leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse it off. All right, after that, I am going to steam my face. This was a Mother's Day gift from like maybe last year or year before that I still use a lot. I love this facial steamer. Listen, steam your face, steam your skin, your hair, all of that. I love it. So after we steam, we're gonna get these eyebrows together. I do not get my eyebrows professionally done because, just being honest, they are so thin. So I just kind of tweeze them myself. Then I will go in with the little razor and clean it up at the top and shape it. And then I draw my eyebrows on anyway. So yeah. So here I am not only cleaning up my eyebrows, I am also getting all the little peach fuzz off my face as well. So I'm going to shave my whole face. I don't do this all the time. I kind of do it when I remember, when I feel like it, and I start seeing some peach fuzz a little bit too much. So yeah, today was one of those days where I cleaned it up. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Listen, just that alone cleans up the face. Yeah. So then I'm going in with this Bevel Post Shave Balm. This is actually my husband's, and I steal it from him whenever I shave my face. And I use it just to, you know, calm the skin, avoid any bumping up or anything like that. So yeah. Then I am going in with my oil by Short, Relax, and Happy. The oil, because it's for your hair and skin. So I'm moisturizing that. And then we hopped in the shower. This is after the shower. Got me a snack, and we're about to mold my hair. Back with the oil again. Back with the oil. I'm going to put the oil on my hair before I mold it. I like to put it on before and sometimes after. Y'all see that length though? My hair is growing out. See the length at the top? I did cut down the sides a little bit. So yeah, we got the Nairobi foam. We're gonna go in and mold it. I'm doing a super simple mold today. Nothing crazy. Like I said, Aunt Flo is in town, and I don't want nothing intricate. I don't want no curls, nothing. But I do want to look cute. So we're gonna mold it, and we're gonna do a nice straight simple look. don't know about y'all, but when my cycle is on, my hair acts really funny. Like, I could have a fresh relaxer or a fresh partial and my hair will still kind of be resistant. Like, it only happens around that time. Like, hormones be all over the place. So yeah, so my mode was cool, but it wasn't as slick as I wanted it to be. Like, I feel the difference, but it doesn't, I'm so used to it now, I'll be like, whatever. Going under the dryer. And then another Fenty product. This is not sponsored. This is just the Fenty SPF moisturizer. Because I just did all that stuff on my face, I wanted to make sure and go back in with the moisturizer. I forgot to earlier before I got out the shower, but I wanted to show y'all that too. Combing it down a little bit. Adding my Murray's Beeswax just to set. People ask all the time, what is the Murray's Beeswax for? I just use it to set my hair in place. It helps, I don't know, just keep everything together without having to use like a lot of other products. So like, it's like a hair wax, like, you know, those wax sticks. It's just like that. So combing everything together, nice, simple. My hair is done. My face feels good. My skin feels moisturized. I'm feeling better. Like, I'm feeling much, much better. Moisturize the lips. And we good to go, y'all. We good to go. We are good. I hope y'all enjoyed this little self-care video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.